Give a Mercher 50 Cent presents. Did you know that the 50-cent coin could hold hidden value? With over 25 million minted and rare-proof versions out there, some collectors are cashing in. From its copper-nickel shine to the iconic lyrebird design, this coin is more than just pocket change. Stay tuned, your spare change might just your 50 Cent presents. Did you know that the 50-cent coin could hold hidden value? With over 25 million minted and rare-proof versions out there, some collectors are cashing in. Give a Mercher 50 Cent presents. Did you know that the 50-cent coin could hold hidden value? With over 25 million minted and rare-proof versions out there, some collectors are cashing in. From its copper nickel, let's dive into the 1999 Euro 50 cent coin in full detail, covering its specifications, collector value, rare errors, and myths about millionaire-making versions. It's important to clarify up front that the 1999 50 euro cent is not a Canadian coin and not a bicentennial issue. But it's a significant coin in European monetary history, especially as part of the first wave of euro coin production. Introduction. The first ever euro coins, the 1999 Euro 50 cent coin, is a historical milestone. It was among the first euro coins ever minted. Even though euros officially entered circulation in January 2002, several Eurozone countries began minting coins in 1999 in preparation for the launch of the single European currency. These early issues, dated 1999 to 2001, are known as pre-circulation strikes and are particularly interesting to collectors. -2. General specifications. The 50-cent euro coin is a large gold-colored coin minted in Nordic gold, an alloy of 89%. Copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin, making it durable yet non-magnetic. It has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, a thickness of 2.38 millimeters, and a weight of 7.8 grams. The edge is distinctive, featuring a Spanish flower design with 7 indents, providing both a tactile feel and anti-counterfeiting security. -3. Design elements. The common reverse side, designed by Luke Likes, shows a map of Europe, 12 stars, representing the original EU member states, and the numeral 50 euro cent. The national obverse side varies by country, each showcasing its unique identity. For example, Italy features Emperor Marcus Aurelius. France shows the sewer La Semeuse. Germany depicts the Brandenburg Gate. The design helps collectors identify country of origin at a glance. -4. Mintage volumes and country-specific rarity. The 1999 50 cent coin was minted by multiple countries, and rarity depends heavily on the issuing nation. Some countries like Finland, Luxembourg, or Portugal produced limited quantities. For instance, French 1999 50 cent coin, over 200 million minted -common. Luxembourg 1999. Proof only, extremely rare and limited to collector sets. Spanish and Italian 1999 issues, common in circulation, coins with low mintages, especially proof versions, may carry high collector value when in mint or uncirculated condition. -5. Collector value. Circulated versus uncirculated, circulated condition. Most 1999 Euro 50 cent coins from major countries like France, Germany, or Italy are worth their face value 50 cents. However, it's an uncirculated condition, or if part of an official mint set or proof issue, values can rise. Uncirculated MS65, MS67, 2 Euro.05 proof coins, 10 EURO.CENT euros or more. Depending on the country and condition, coins from low mintage countries or errors, hundreds or more in rare cases. -6. Rare errors and varieties, a small number of error coins from 1999 exist and are highly collectible, such as double strikes or off-center strikes, valued between 100 euros and 500 euros. Wrong planchette strikes, struck on the metal of another denomination, can fetch 1,000 euros, plus misaligned dies, missing plating, or die breaks. 50 euros, 300 euros. Such coins are extremely rare, but authenticated specimens have fetched 4-figure amounts at auctions, especially if graded by NGC or PCGS. -7 million euro. Myths versus market reality. there are no confirmed cases of a 1999 50 cent coin selling for €1,000,000 or dollars. While some YouTube videos and social media posts make exaggerated claims, the highest known values for rare versions, for example, proof errors or wrong metal strikes, max out around €1,500, €2,000. Still, in the world of numismatics, undiscovered varieties or unique minting accidents could eventually break records. -8. Conclusion: valuable coin or collector treasure. To wrap up, the 1999 Euro 50-cent coin is historically important as one of the first minted euros, and its value depends heavily on the issuing country condition proof. Uncirculated, circulated, whether it's a rare error coin, while the typical coin is not rare. Exceptions exist, and if you believe you have a misprint or mint error from this year, it's absolutely worth getting authenticated. It may not make you a billionaire overnight, but it could earn you a spot in the collector spotlight. Would you like help identifying your specific, your 1999 Euro 50-cent coin's origin and potential value? I can assist if you upload a photo or provide its country and condition. Here's a complete and factual 8-paragraph breakdown of the 2009 Euro 20-cent coin.
Nice.
Its specifications, design, potential value, and the reality behind whether it could ever be worth millions, plus the truth about rumors of bicentennial Canadian versions tied to this coin. Spoiler, there are none. Introduction. The 2009 Euro 20-cent coin, a hidden gem or common coin. The 2009 Euro 20-cent coin is a standard issue circulating coin used across the Eurozone. While not officially tied to any bicentennial Canadian event, and certainly not a Canadian coin, it sometimes appears in misleading social media posts or viral videos promising untold wealth. The truth: while most of these coins are only worth their face value, rare error versions, mint condition specimens, and proof strikes from certain countries can be worth hundreds, or more, though nothing near millions. -2. Basic specifications. In composition, the 20-cent euro coin is made of Nordic gold, a durable and corrosion-resistant alloy consisting of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. The coin has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, a thickness of 2.14 millimeters, and weighs 5.74 grams. The edge features the distinctive Spanish flower shape, a 7-indent pattern unique to this denomination, which also helps with identification by touch. -3. Design elements. A Eurozone standard, the reverse side, designed by Luke Likes, displays a map of Europe alongside the denomination. 20 euro cent and 12 stars representing the original member states. The obverse front design varies by country, with each Eurozone nation choosing its own national imagery. For instance, Germany uses the Brandenburg Gate. France features Marianne, a symbol of liberty. Italy depicts the sculpture Unique Forms of Continuity in Space by Umberto Bouchon. These national designs make each version a collectible in its own right, especially from low mintage countries. -4. Mintage and circulation volumes in 2009. Many Eurozone countries minted 20-cent coins. Some had very large mintages, while others produced low quantities or only for collectors' sets. For example, Germany, France, and Italy minted tens of millions, very common. Luxembourg, Slovenia, Malta, and Cyprus issued far fewer, sometimes less than 1 million. Coins from smaller countries or minted only in proof sets are much harder to find and hold greater collector value, especially in mint or proof condition. -5. Market value circulated versus uncirculated. Coins circulated 2009 20-cent coins from common countries are usually worth 20 cents to 50 cents, slightly more if in excellent condition. But in uncirculated or MS65 certified condition, especially from collector sets, they can reach €3 to €15. Proof coins, typically found in annual Euro proof sets, can sell for €20 to €50, and even more if the country had limited production that year. Collectors often pay premiums to complete country year collections. 6. Error coins. The real hidden wealthy only versions of the 2009 euro 20-cent coin that fetch serious prices or error coins off-center strikes can sell for 100 euros, 300 euros. Double strikes or blockage errors may reach 400 euros. 1000 wrong planchet errors. Where a coin is struck on a blank meant for another denomination are extremely rare and could bring 1,500 euros or more die. Rotation errors or missing design features are also collectible. All of these errors are incredibly rare. It must be authenticated by professional grading companies like NGC or PCGs. 7. Debunking the $1,000,000 myth, despite what viral videos or fake posts may claim. No 2009 euro 20-cent coin has ever sold for €1,000,000 or dollars. These claims are typically fabricated to generate views or clicks. The highest known values for any euro 20-cent coin from 2009 or otherwise are for major mint errors or ultra-rare proof versions, which can reach 1,000 euros, 2,000 euros in extreme cases, but far from life-changing. Still, it's worth checking your coins carefully. You might own a gem in disguise. -8. Final thoughts. Is your coin worth keeping? To conclude, the 2009 euro 20-cent coin is not rare in general, but specific factors such as country of origin, mint condition, or unusual minting error scan make it worth significantly more than face value. If you believe you have a coin with an error misprint or from a low mintage country, it's worth consulting a coin expert or having it graded. It won't make you a billionaire overnight, but it could bring a collector several hundred euros or add a unique treasure to your collection. Want help identifying your coin? Send a photo or describe the country and design, and I can help you determine its rarity and value instantly. Here is a complete 8-paragraph guide on the 2004 euro 10-cent coin, including detailed information on its design, metal composition, minting history, collector value, and the truth behind any millionaire myths. Although it's not a bicentennial Canadian coin, that's a different category entirely. The 2004 euro 10-cent coin can still be a valuable piece, particularly when minting errors or rare proof versions are involved. Different. Introduction. The 2004 euro 10-cent coin, common or hidden treasure? The 2004 euro 10-cent coin is a regular member of the Eurozone currency system, minted by several EU countries using unique national designs. While many examples are in circulation and hold only face value, a small number of rare issues, error coins, and proof strikes can be highly valuable to collectors. However, despite online claims, number 10-cent coin from 2004 is confirmed to be worth millions. Yet some coins from this year have indeed fetched hundreds or even thousands of euros under special conditions. -2. Composition and technical specifications. The coin is made of Nordic gold, which is not real gold, but an alloy of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. This alloy resists tarnish and corrosion. The 10-cent euro coin has a diameter of 19.75 millimeters, thickness of 1.93 millimeters, and a weight of 4.10 grams. The edge features fine regiza, smooth but grooved edge that gives it a distinct tactile signature and security against counterfeiting. -3. Design and national. Variants. The common reverse side used by all Euro countries was designed by Luke. Likes and shows a map of Europe with 12 stars, denomination 10 euro cent, and horizontal lines representing unity. The averse national side varies by country. For example, France features a stylized Marianne. Italy shows Botticelli's Birth of Venus. Germany includes the Brandenburg Gate. Spain has Miguel de Cervantes. Each country's unique design adds collector value, especially for limited mintage or lesser-known mints. -4. Mintage data. Who minted what in 2004? In 2004, multiple Eurozone countries minted 10-cent coins. With varying mintages, France, Germany, and Italy each minted over 100 million 10-cent coins. Very common. Slovenia, San Marino, and Vatican City did not yet use the euro in 2004. Luxembourg, Malta, and Cyprus didn't issue circulating coins yet, but San Marino and the Vatican issued limited collector sets only. Some countries minted proof-only versions, making these coins incredibly scarce and valuable for numismatists. -5, collector value, circulated versus proof and boo. Coins circulated 2004 euro 10-cent coins from major nations are usually worth just 10 cents to 50 cents. However, uncirculated brilliant, uncirculated boo, or proof coins, especially those from mint sets or low mintage countries, can fetch significantly higher prices. Boo coins. 2 EURO 10 proof coins, 10 euros, 50 euros depending on country. Special mint sets from microstates Vatican, San Marino, etc. can exceed 100 euros, 300 euros, -6. Rare era coins, where the real wealth is the real treasures among. 2004 euro 10-cent coins are the mint errors, such as off-center strikes can sell for 150 euros, 400 euros. Double strikes up to 500 euros wrong. Planchette errors like a 10-cent struck on a 5-cent blank can fetch 1,000 euros plus. Clipped planchettes or die rotation errors are also collectible and worth 50 euros, 300 euros. These must be authenticated by a professional grading service, like NGC or PCGS, to be sold at top dollar, -7. Debunking the millionaire myth despite popular internet myths. No euro 10-cent coin from 2004 is worth €1 million or dollars. Many online videos and viral posts exaggerate or misrepresent coin values. While rare errors or coins from special mint sets can bring high auction prices, the maximum confirmed value for a 2004 euro 10-cent error is around 1,500 euros. These prices are significant, but nowhere near millionaire-making territory. 8. Conclusion. Check your coins, but know the truth. The 2004 euro 10-cent coin is not a bicentennial Canadian coin and is not rare in general circulation. However, coin hunters and collectors should still inspect each coin for errors, low mintage origins, or mint state conditions. If you suspect you've found an unusual version, especially one with misalignment, off-metal strike, or doubling, it's worth getting professionally graded. While it won't make you a billionaire overnight, your coin could still be a valuable hidden gem in your wallet or jar. Want to know if your euro coin is rare? Send me a picture or describe the country. In condition, I'll help you identify its collector value instantly.